Did you know that proper hand washing can prevent the spread of infections and save lives? Washing your hands the right way is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to stay healthy. Follow these simple steps for effective hand washing. 1. Wet your hands with clean, running water and apply enough soap to cover all surfaces. 2. Rub both palms together to create a lather. 3. Interlace your fingers and rub the back of each hand with the palm of the other. 4. Rub your palms together with fingers interlaced. 5. Place fingers in the opposite palm and rub the backs of your fingers. 6. Rub each thumb in a rotational motion using the opposite hand. 7. Rub fingertips and nails against the opposite palm in a circular motion. 8. Rinse hands thoroughly under clean, running water. 9. Use a clean tissue or towel to completely dry your hands. 10. Use a disposable tissue to turn off the tap to avoid recontamination. Remember, proper hand washing should take at least 40 to 60 seconds to be effective. A small habit can make a big difference. Clean hands save lives. Practice hand hygiene regularly.